Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us.
We got both units replaced. AC and furnace, with of course a new thermostat. They did a great job and got it all done pretty fast. About 6 hours for it all. I still have the rest of my day to do everything I needed to do, and still have time to enjoy my evening. Thank you, Dor Mar, and thank you to the 2 guys that did the job. Doug and Caleb.
But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.